Hello, welcome to 10-Minute English. My name is Chelu and I will be your host and guide in this adventure of learning English. Today's lesson is a very important lesson. It's a vocabulary and grammar lesson about two important words or constructions, like and would like. Why are they important? Is because we use them every day in every conversation. Let's say that it's one of the things that we most use in English. Let's get to the point. The examples are going to be very clear, and then we will take a look at the grammar point of this lesson. Okay, so I like coffee compared to I would like coffee. I like coffee. I enjoy coffee. I have always liked coffee. I have always liked coffee since I began to drink it when I was a teenager. The same as I like fruits. Okay. If I say I would like fruits, it's going to be a little bit different, or not just a little bit. Okay, so at this stage in your English evolution, you know exactly what like means. Let's take a look at would like. Would like means that I want something now, in the moment. So it's fair to say that here we can replace would like with want. I want coffee now. I want fruits now. Okay, so the difference between like and would like is very clear. In this case, I don't express that I want something. I'm not saying that I want coffee now. I'm saying that I just like coffee in general. It's something that I've always liked, that I liked 1 week ago, 3 weeks ago, 1 year ago. In the case of would like, I express that I want something now. I would like coffee. I want coffee now. I would like fruits. I want fruits now. Okay, let's take a look. If we use a verb after like and would like, okay? I like to travel, but I could say I like traveling. In fact, the second one is most used because I express something that I enjoy. We will go back to this in a future lesson. Okay, but both of them are correct. So we use long infinitive, sorry. I like to travel and I like traveling. I cannot say, and I must not say here, I like travel. So if I use a verb, it must be long infinitive, so the verb with the particle to, or the ing verb, but not this one. Yeah, I like travel, we eliminate it. Yeah, it's something that we shouldn't or we must not say. Okay, in the case of would like, very careful at this. Okay, I would like traveling. No. I would like travel. No. Would like, don't forget that it's a synonym of want. So if I say I want to travel, the same happens with would like. I would like to travel. So let's eliminate these two. Not this one. I would like traveling. I would like travel. No way you can say something like this. I would like to travel. So just this one. That's why it's very confusing for a lot of people, because in the case of like, you have two options. I like to travel and I like traveling. I can use both. But in the case of would like, no. I only have one option that I could use, and it's I would like to travel. Okay, let's complete the sentence here also. I like travel. Both of them are correct. 1, 2. And here just 1. Okay. Good. In conclusion, the difference between would like and would like is the following. We use like to express something that we enjoy. I like coffee, I like fruits. This means that I like them 1 week ago. I like them now, of course. I like them one week ago. I like them 1 year ago. I've always liked them. In the case of the fruits, I've always liked coffee since the moment I started drinking coffee. I like it. And in the case of would like, we use it to express something that we want right now. I would like coffee means I want coffee now. I would like fruits means I want fruits now. The grammar point of the lesson. You must be very careful how to use a verb after like. You have two options. I like to travel or I like traveling. In the case of would like, I would like to travel. It's wrong to say I would like traveling or I would like travel. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and I'm looking forward to the next class with you. Thank you.